Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Today, I teach you exercise 1 and 2 of unit 1.3 of English of class 9 new course. Unit 1.3 is about language practice. Before we do this, let me explain something that unit 1.1 is about listening and speaking. Second area of teaching is listening and speaking. It is in unit number 2. What you have to do, there are some topics given and you have to discuss on these topics. Suppose the first topic is some unfair means that students use in exams. Dear students, you have to discuss with each other. This is a listening and speaking activity. So I advise you that you should practice these topics on your own. Second topic, reasons for using unfair means in the examinations. Number third topic, impact of using unfair means in exams on students' performance. Number four topic, effect of using unfair means on the future of students. These are the four topics in unit 1.2, listening and speaking activity. You should discuss on these topics with each other. In this way, you will learn the listening and speaking. Now, in unit 1.3, unit 1.3 is about language practice. It is third area of teaching, language practice. This unit is about conditional sentences, type 2. Here, I teach you the second conditional sentence. Before I teach you second conditional sentence, let me tell you that there are four types of conditional sentences. Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. In zero conditional sentences, both the verbs in both the clauses are in present. Suppose water boils if you heat it to 100 degrees Celsius. Both verbs in condition and in result, both the verbs are in present. Water boils. If you heat it to 100 degree. Conditional sentence has two parts. Conditional sentence has two parts. One part is condition, it depends on if clause, and the second is result clause. No matter which clause you put in the beginning. If you heat water to 100 degree, it boils. If you heat water water to 100 degree, it boils. If clause is in the beginning. In the first, if clause is in the end. No matter. This is zero conditional. First conditional. If you are late, the teacher will be angry. This is first conditional. If you are late, if you are late, if clause is in present, the condition clause will be in future. This is the first conditional. If you are late, the teacher will be angry. The teacher will be angry if you are late. Both are right. Now, we do second conditional. What is second conditional sentence? What are the rules of writing second conditional sentence? In your book, the rules have been given. The verb in the clause with if is in the simple past or past continuous tense. The verb in the other clause uses the modal would, could, might, and in negative wouldn't, couldn't, might not, mightn't. Third, the if clause can come in the beginning or at the end, as I have already told you. The if clause is separated from the main clause by comma. You should put a comma. It is necessary. If clause is separated from the main clause by a comma. Number 5. In a type 2, second conditional, if clause, sometimes verb is used instead of was. Examples. If they drank sufficient water, comma, they would have a healthy skin. If they drank sufficient water, if clause is in past, they would have a healthy skin. Would is used in the main clause. If Sanna was watching television, if Sanna was watching television, comma, the lights would be on. If clause is in past and main clause has used the verb, modal verb would. If allowed, they could sleep the whole day. Could is used in the main clause. If allowed, it is in past. Now we do exercise. Exercise number 1. The following table has some conditional sentences. The first part is in column A and the second in column B, but in jumbled order. In this column, which is B column, the sentences are in jumbled order. Find the correct match from column B. We have to find the correct match from this for column A. And write the answer in the answer column. We have to write answer in this column. The first one has been done. The first one has been done. If all people in Pakistan become honest, G, the country would progress very fast. The country would progress very fast. Now, second, I could easily get an A grade in my exam. In my exam. If I worked really hard, if. Number 3, if our driver did not drive so fast, If our driver did not drive so fast, we would be in the hospital right now. D. Number 4, the tourists would not be lost if they had an updated map of the area. B. Number 5, if they had the time, they would have visited all their friends. C. Number 6, if money grew on trees, everyone would be rich. H. Number 7, our schools would produce capable leaders if the students and teachers paid due attention. A. Number 8, her idea would be accepted. If she presented it well. E. This is exercise 1 of second conditional sentence. Now, exercise 2. You have to write complete sentences. The first part of the sentence has been given, and for the second part, only verb has been given. Let's read the exercise 2. Exercise 2. Work in pairs and orally complete the following second conditional sentence by using the correct form of the verb given in brackets. You may use other verbs, but make sure that you use the correct form. You can use other verbs also. Number 1, if we had a computer, here the verb finish has been given. If we had a computer, we could finish the work quickly. If we had a computer, we could find some more information. We can use could, we can use would. Number 2, we might see a bear go. Verb go is given. We might see a bear if we went further in the wood. We might see a bear if we climbed a tree. If she studied harder, verb get is given. If she studied harder, she would get good marks. She could get good job. If you grew multiple crops on your land, verb earn, you could earn more money. People would fly, verb have has been given. People would fly if they had wings. They might win the match, verb work has been given. They might win the match if they worked hard. In this way, you can complete all the other sentences. Verbs have been given. You can use your own verbs. Means you are asked, you are advised to make more conditional sentences like this. Part 1, part 2. Conditional sentence has two parts. One part depends upon condition and the second part on the result. No matter which part comes in the beginning, it doesn't matter. You have to write only comma to separate both the clauses. Thank you very much.